other's video. Thanks for your order. This video will be a guide on how you can set up the software which you just got, how to get it activated and start using. On your screen is the software, and the first thing we have to do when you got the software, a link is going to be given to you to download the software. So go on that link. It's a mega link. Download the software. That's the first thing you need to do. When you download the software, you're going to have like this on your download folder, and you can see Vira 2 email extractor. Now after the download is completed, or before you even download, you need to turn off your Windows Defender to use, so it won't be destructing or be giving you an error message when you're about to use it. So to do that, you come down in here and go to this button, Window Defender, or better still, you press your window key and you type window Defender. You can see window security. You open this, open it out, and you're going to have this. So of this, you go to the virus and threat protection. Then you come down and you see manage settings here. Go to the manage settings and turn it off. Turn this off. So you go back to your software right here, then you right click to extract. You will need to extract it. You cannot open the software from the zip folder. It has to be unzipped. You extract all, or if you are using a WinRAR, you see extract file, or you click the extract all here, depending on what option it shows to you. So you click on extract. Good. And then we're going to look for the folder. You can see we are not opening it from this folder, from this subfile. We're going to be opening it from this main folder here. So I'm going to open and see what we've got right here. So to make this so easy, you go back to this option here. From here you can scroll down and you see these exclusions. So you click on add or remove exclusion, accept it, then you click on add exclusion, you click on file. So it will be giving you error whenever you want to use. So you go to the folder that the software is. I have mine on download, and the name is Vira 2 email extractor, this, and I'm going to pick this and say open. Then I can close this. You can on your this thing again. You can on it and turn it on. You can turn this on. So you can close it and you can still leave it off. I don't know. Now we can open from here. You double click to open, then you wait for this countdown to be done. Once the countdown is done, you click on the window to continue execution. You click on the window to continue execution. From there, it takes you to a place where you need to register your software before you can use, just like this. As you can see, we have this hardware ID. So you're going to copy this hardware ID. This is a copy button. Then forward me the license. Forward me this hardware ID online, either on my Telegram or on my WhatsApp or whatever that give you the software. Send this hardware ID to him for your activation. So once you get your activation, it's going to come like this. A name will be given to you. You put in the name that was given to you, and a key will be given to you. So once you put in the key, you click on registered, and you can see thanks for your registration. Registration is done. So once this is done, now we can open this software again. It will automatically even open by itself once you put in the right license. Then you can click on this. So click on this, then you have the software right on your screen. So how do you use the software? We can use the software by reading out the options that we have here, which says keyword was the first thing, keyword. And what does keyword means? It means what's your targeted audience. Who are you targeting? Which is the first thing. So you pick a keyword, and at the same time you can pick a bulk keyword. Let's say you want to target people into Bitcoin, you put it, And let's say you want to target people into crypto, anything related to your audience that you are finding. Let's say we are looking for coin, let's say BTC. You can just put any keyword. You can say, I said bulk keyword. It means you can put tons of keywords right in this space. Okay. And also, we have the country part. You pick the country you want to target. We have a view country that was listed here, but you can put your own desired country or state. You can break it down by extract by state or by city. Okay, so you can put your own country, state, or whatever you want to. I'm going to for this list. If you want to do that, let me do it. Or better still, let's go with Canada, and I'm going to put Canada inside this. Okay, then you can see email domains. You can pick from want to extract Gmail's details, Yahoo Mail, Outlook, scroll down, just pick whatever you want to extract. And if none of these are in your list, you can put yours by just type at the domain name, the domain emails you want to use. Okay, let's say at the office, okay, 365.com. Okay, and I'm going to say add. So it will successfully add it for us. Okay, good. Now we have options of websites, of social sites you can extract from. You can extract from LinkedIn, you can extract from Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and you can put your URL there. Let's say you want to extract these informations on Nairaland. You can just put it nairaland.com or whatever place you want to extract yellowpage.com, or you extract this from Google Map.com. So wherever you want to extract, you can put your website right there. So let's say I'm going for this on LinkedIn and I'm going to say get data. So when you click on get data, you wait for a Chrome browser to pop out and to return back to the screen for you, just like this. You can see a Chrome browser that opens here. So after this, we return back to this software and we say start extracting. Then the software will start the work and it will start giving us email addresses based on this keyword that we used, based on the audience we are actually looking for. And you can see this is Altmail, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Dan, Gmail, blah blah blah. So if I scroll down now, you can see I have 53 leads that it has gotten so far. Still going. Don't forget we'll make our keywords on Bitcoin, on crypto, on coin also. And the beauty of this is that once I done extracting from this um, social network, I can switch and extract also on Facebook, switch and extract on Instagram, switch extract on TikTok. I can keep going like that till I have tons of emails. So it's not actually about how long or how bulky the emails you got, but it has to be genuine and valid emails. So this is our software, and this is what exactly it's going to do for you: give you accurate email leads all there from the internet. Okay, so far in this video of few seconds that we've spent, we should have gotten an over. You can see we have over what? Let's drop down over 200 gotten from this. So the higher, or let me say, the broad your keyword is, the more results you will get. If your keyword is very large, you will get enough email leads. So thanks for watching this video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.